Hi, I'm Andrew Bancroft, and welcome to this iOS development course on implementing in-app purchases. You're an iOS developer working hard day in and day out to create apps that bring value and happiness to your users. You deserve to see a return on your investment in the lives of others. As part of your strategy to monetize the apps that you create, you should seriously consider offering digital products and services to your users directly within your app. This course will equip you to offer digital content as in-app purchases for your iOS apps. First, I'll teach you how to configure App Store Connect to support in-app purchases. Then you'll build and test a fully working store view. I'll prepare you to protect your revenue by validating App Store receipts. And you'll complete the course by implementing logic to unlock content that your users have purchased from your in-app store. In order to follow along comfortably with the course material, my hope is that you've worked with Xcode and written Swift code just above the beginner level. For example, you should be at ease with the common patterns for communication between objects in iOS, such as delegation and callback closures. When you've finished with this course, you'll have the skills and the knowledge you need to implement in-app purchases on iOS from end to end. Join me now, and I'll help prepare you to earn the revenue that you deserve for the value that you bring to others through your apps.